Everybody says it's not my fault. Everybody says it's not my fault. Everybody says it's not my fault. Everybody says it's...
Hi, my name is Mehdi Cayenne and I'm a MASC artist. So when I go to schools with MASC, I play shows with songs and poetry, and I do songwriting workshops and poetry workshops overall.
Angels are immigrants. Immigrants from heaven, yeah.
I bring a very loose structure because I understand the elements very well of the show, of the workshop and whatnot. And because I'm secure in that, there's a fluidity in the workshop, and that allows for, you know, students expressing themselves where by perhaps in another context they wouldn't have.
Oh, but there's no getting away. Oh, 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 oh.
What makes a student's education in life is a series of moments, right? And so to have the privilege to perhaps be part of some of these moments in somebody's life as they're growing and developing is a huge privilege for me, and something that I've learned so much from.
Pour se dire aujourd'hui basta les vautours. Personne ne sait ce qu'aurait été notre amour.
One learns to set the table and listen, right? And create that opportunity, you know, and open that door. But really it's the student that goes through, right?
Oh, 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 only you. Only you can make this world seem right.
So to be part of that groundswell of experiences that makes a childhood or a teenagehood or an adult life down the line, it's a big privilege, you know?